We have Avent baby bottle warmer with temperature control and automatic shut off. This video covers our review and how to use the Avent bottle warmer from Philips. And we'll start right now. What is going on? Welcome to this review and how to use Avent Fast baby bottle warmer video. Coming up. This is a newer design and Philips added temperature control and automatic shut-off. To me, these are must-have features and I would not suggest getting any bottle warmers without temperature control and automatic shut-off. As parents, we easily get distracted and these features will be handy. Looking at it, as you can see, it's a very simple design. You have a few functions here. First, warm up milk. Second, defrost and keep warm. Third feature is to warm up the baby foods. You have to plug this to an outlet and obviously no need for batteries. Let's start with the main task of warming up the milk. Place the bottle in the bottle warmer. Fill with water. Select the setting based on the milk volume. Press the on-off button to switch on. The bottle warmer warms the milk to approximately body temperature. It then switches to keep it warm mode automatically for about 60 minutes. Then automatic shut-off kicks in case you get busy and forgot about the milk. This has a cool feature of a countdown light. This shows you how far into the warming the bottle we are and also when milk is ready. When the progress indicator light is a full circle and continuously up, the milk is ready for feeding. Remember, it does not have any beeping or sound alarm, which would have been nice but really not a big deal. The milk warm-up process for plastic and glass bottles takes about 2 to 5 minutes. For silicone bottles, add 3 to 4 minutes extra. Remember this timing for when you have a crying baby in hand. Unlike a microwave, the Avent bottle warmer does not cause hot and cold spots. However, still shake the bottle and test it before feeding your baby. The other feature is to defrost and keep warm. Somehow, they put just one spot on the knob for both. I don't know why. In this mode, the sensor detects the milk or baby food temperature. If the milk or baby food is warm, it keeps it warm for about 60 minutes. But if the milk or baby food is frozen, it will be defrosted to liquid and then warmed to the body temperature. We really like the defrost option for frozen breast milk. When your little one is ready to graduate to solids, the bottle warmer can be used to warm up baby food containers. Select the baby food warm-up setting and press the on-off button to switch on. Progress indicator flashes to show you the warming process. Having said that, I would not trust the indicator when warming the baby foods. Do the timing based on your best judgment. Final thought and review on the Avent bottle warmer. We are going to review price and do I really need a bottle warmer, reuse the bottle warmer right away, size and weight, and cleaning. So do I really need a baby bottle warmer? While it's not a must-have, I would suggest one, as it provides a decent level of convenience. You can manage this by putting the bottle in a hot water or so, but it can be a pain at 3 a.m. and when we have a crying baby in hand. The prices changes all the time, so I put a link below to Avent baby bottle warmer for you to check the current pricing. If you buy this through the link with no additional cost to you, we get a very small referral commission. Thanks for the support to help us create more content like this. Next consideration was somewhat a surprising item for me. You cannot reuse the bottle warmer right away for another bottle. You need to either wait for it to cool down or drain the water and pour it with fresh cold water. Yeah, this is weird and really not energy efficient. These are the size and weight of Avent bottle warmer. I also like the appearance of it. This product is just one piece which makes the cleaning a little easier. Just make sure to avoid spilling water to the knob and main plug. By the way, if you got value out of this video, please give us a thumbs up. It's very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. In this channel, we cover baby related items like this video. For more like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you and see you next time.